Hello everyone, welcome back to my humble kitchen. Today's recipe is quite popular one, stir-fried Chinese flat noodles. Here are the simple ingredients. A portion of flat noodles, you can use fresh or dried ones, but if you use dried flat noodles, you have to boil them until cooked but not mushy, like this. Put some oil in boiling water when you boil the noodles. Some slices of cabbage, carrots, French beans, a clove of garlic, and some mushrooms. You may use fresh or dried mushrooms, but I prefer dehydrated shiitake mushrooms. It's more chewy and fragrant. And of course, my homemade mushroom sauce. You may use any sauce you like. And some staple ingredients here, cooking oil, and like soy sauce, some salt to taste, and some white pepper powder. Let's begin our cooking. Heat up a skillet over medium-high. A tablespoon oil is more than enough. First item to put into the hot oil is definitely garlic. You can mince or crush it. This time I slice it thinly. And once the garlic is fragrant, immediately drop the mushrooms. Saute them for about 2 to 3 minutes until you see their color change or they look dry. After that, you can add few drops of soy sauce. And I tell you friends, do not skip this step, okay? It is very important because if you skip this step, you will not get fragrant noodles. Coat them evenly with the sauce. It's very fragrant after they are coated with soy sauce. And at this point, you can already stir fry the carrots and beans. Let them cook for about 2 minutes. And then put in the cabbage. Combine all vegetables and stir fry them for another 1 minute. You can sprinkle some pepper and salt. And now it's time to let noodles join in the party. Sprinkle some soy sauce on the noodles and spread them a little bit. Switch off the heat. Last but not least, mushroom sauce. Adjust to your likeness for the amount. Here I only use about 1¼ tablespoon. Combine them well again in the hot pan using chopsticks. While the stove is still hot, so I let them stir fry for another 1 to 2 minutes to get them a little dry and fragrant. The key to stir-fry noodles is the heat or flame. It has to be stable and high enough. Secondly, is not to overcrowd the skillet. Serve it immediately before it turns cold. It looks glossy and appetizing, right? Easy and delicious meal is ready to be enjoyed. You can enjoy it with some cut chili, with lime juice, or some sweet sour chili sauce. I love these fried noodles because it's not oily. The noodles are tender but not mushy. The vegetables are cooked but still crispy. And the mushrooms are chewy and fragrant. The soya and mushroom sauce add in some umami flavor. It's perfect for a quick, satisfying meal. So friends, today we have learned how to stir-fry Chinese flat noodles. Try cook it and let me know how the result is. It's so yummy! I hope you enjoy cooking with me. If you like it, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And if you have not done, subscribe. Do hit the subscribe button and don't forget to switch on the notification bell so that you'll not miss my next cooking. Goodbye!